welcome back to the sewing room. Happy Tuesday. I am going to be attempting to film some proper videos today. My voice is not too bad, so I'm going to do the intros and outros for the sew along for this dress, the 8167, and I'm also going to do the intros and outros for the 6891. That shirt dress that's changed number because it's now a Butterick pattern, but it was a McCall's pattern, so I'm going to get that done. I'm also going to try and film all the twirls for all of those pieces back there, my April, May into June fabric haul and sewing plans video. Just basically kind of try and catch up with some proper videos because I haven't done those for a while, since the beginning of February. So I have some new Patreon peeps to say hi to. The computer is out but it's not on, typical me, not prepared. The very first is the lovely Kara B. Cheryl. Welcome Kara, and thank you for joining the Patreon peeps. The very lovely Stephanie Pittis has joined the Patreon peeps, so welcome Stephanie and thank you. Cara Law bought me a coffee, thank you Cara, very much appreciated. And last but definitely not least, the lovely Orly Golan has joined the Patreon peeps, so welcome Orly and thank you for joining. It's really weird having makeup on. I don't think I've had makeup on since for, oh wow, six weeks I don't think. So yeah, I tried something a bit different today and it's gone a little bit heavy around the eyes, but never mind, it's the Wild West palette from Urban Decay. I really like their palettes. They don't irritate my skin, which is amazing. I don't know if you guys know, but the majority of you know I think, but I'm allergic to makeup, so I can only wear powder products, so that's why I have my eyelashes done, because I can't wear mascara, and yeah, I can't wear foundation or concealer or any of those things, which sucks, but never mind. But yeah, I really like this look, even though, like I say, it is a little bit dark, but never mind. So I spent yesterday the hangout with the peeps, and then Sunday afternoon I spent finishing, sewing the Magnolia bodices, and then yesterday it was all hand finishing, so I had to sew the side seams of the lining to the zipper tape, then the waist to the slip stitch that down. I decided for the flutter sleeves that I was going to blind hem those by hand, which I've done, and then I had to sew down the front of the split on the maxi version, and then I had to hem it. I ended up cutting off 3 inches and hemming it by 1 inch. It might be a little bit short now. I should have maybe cut off 2 inches, but I don't always want to wear it with high heels. I don't wear high heels very often anymore, so it's going to be interesting to see what that one looks like, because I don't have a full-length mirror down here and I didn't try it on in my room, but never mind. I haven't hemmed the midi version yet because it is a circle skirt and that's dropping on the bias, but I'm hoping I can get that done at some point today. I was planning on doing it first thing, but I'm thinking that maybe that's not gonna happen. So yeah, we shall see. Anyway, I have got a lot of filming to catch up on, so I'm going to get started with some of that, and I will report back later and let you know how I'm getting on. My glasses are filthy. Why are my glasses always filthy? I look so weird without glasses on. I have got a lot of makeup on today as well. Kind of look like a raccoon. Not sure if I'm making this better or worse.
2,000 years later.
I'm back in my dressing gown. I have filmed all of the chatty bits for the videos today, but I need to do the twirls. Can't do the twirls until I have leveled the hem and hemmed my Magnolia dress in this fabric, and I only have about 1 meter of bias binding left, and I need at least 4 more, so I need to cut out some more strips to make some more bias binding, to then level the hem, to sew the bias binding on, to then hand sew the binding down. This could take me a while, wish me luck. It's 8:30, but I got the hem leveled and hemmed. Hopefully it won't drop anymore. I don't think it will. I think it's done its thing, but usually I would like to leave it a little bit longer, but I really wanted to get this video up this week, so fingers crossed it looks okay. But yeah, I've also done all the twirls for all the rest of the things that I've made this year, obviously except for the 3 blue dresses because I've already done those. Yeah, really pleased with how it's all come out. Now I've just got to edit everything, which is always a bunch of fun. And I think I've kind of got the room half set up for cutting out, so I think that's what I will probably come down and do tomorrow. Start cutting out the remainder of the Cobra Corsage projects, because I am excited to get those done. So yeah, it's been a long day, but it's been a very productive day, which is always nice. I've been taking so many tops on and off, my little fluffy bits have kind of made an appearance, but never mind, hopefully all the footage looks okay. I'll soon find out. So on that note, I hope you've enjoyed the little bit that I have filmed today, and I will see you all tomorrow. Bye! Hey peeps, welcome back to the sewing room. I am going to cut out some stuff today. That's what I've decided. It's Friday morning. I've just come, well, Friday afternoon. I've just come back from breakfast at LOVE Cobra. They do these kind of like impromptu breakfast weeks every now and again, and we always like to go along and just have a very nice cooked breakfast. We don't have to wash up after. And LOVE Cobra's always lovely. LOVE Cobra is where I hold the sewing retreats. There are still technically 3 spaces on the May retreat. If anybody is interested, I'll put the details in the description down below. So yes, I'm back here and I am going to get on with cutting out some, if not all, of the remainder of the Cobra Corsage, apart from the velvet and the canvas drill, because we know I'm going to be doing different things with those ones. Got the burgundy viscose, the kiwi cotton lawn, and the Lena crepe, the remainder of the Lena crepe that I'm hoping to use to line the Leurzon trench coat, muslin of which is back there, and possibly a Sorrento jacket as well, because I think a little black cropped Sorrento jacket would be a nice thing, and I think I have enough of the outer and the lining fabric to get one of those as well. I've also got the Sicily slip dress printed, and I would like to, if I can, trace out that and get that cut out of the drapey kind of poly textured satin that I have. It's not textured, just the surface of it has like a hammered appearance. It's really pretty, but I don't know if I'm going to have enough time to do that, and I could always postpone that one. I might postpone that one until the next cutting out session. I'm not going to get all of this finished before the end of March. I've got the 3 Cobra Corsage projects back there that are still waiting to be done, 2 dresses and a shirt, and then I've got all of this to get through as well. So I think I'll get the Leurzon trench coat, Sorrento jacket, the kiwi and the burgundy cut out and call it a day, and I'll come back to the Sicily slip dress because I will make it, and I will make it in that fabric, but it is a plain black fabric, so technically whilst it goes in with Cobra Corsage, it can also go in with the next collection, which you'll be seeing the video for very soon. So yeah, that's the plan. Sicily slip dress, next cutting out session. I've ordered all the hardware for the bag. I have decided on a bag for the retreat. I'm going to put together a Facebook group for the retreat goers, and then I'll announce the bag in there. Anyway, that's enough rabbiting from me. I will move you guys around and I will get on with some cutting out. That is what will be happening next. It's 6 o'clock. I have managed to cut out the Leurzon trench coat with the interlining that I want to do, because it's meant to be an unlined coat, but I prefer a little bit of lining, even if it is just decorative, which this one will be. I've cut out the Sorrento jacket and its lining, and I've also managed to get the skirt portion from the 9357, which is now the 1743. I've managed to get the skirt portion from the black cotton twill as well. It's the same sort of weight as the denim one that I made out the green, so I think it's going to look really nice, and it will be nice to have a black skirt like that, because I do have a black circle skirt in a crepe, but yeah, I don't have a kind of more everyday black skirt, as it were. Still need to cut out the lining for the sleeves. I'm going to do that out of the slippery viscose that I have. Unfortunately, I've only got it in charcoal, not black, but it's going to be the inside of a sleeve, so it's not going to get seen, so I think it'll be fine. Yeah, it'll be fine. It'll be totally fine. I am going to call it a night though, because I've got the Vogue 8577 and then the 3 projects to cut out of the burgundy, so I've still got 4 more projects to go. But as I say, 6 o'clock, my tummy is rumbling, so I'm going to go up and have some dinner and do some more editing because of all the filming I did on Tuesday. The only trouble with filming 6 videos is that you then have to edit 6 videos, but that's fine, it's totally fine. Yeah, it's been a nice productive afternoon. I am very pleased with everything. Hopefully it's all going to turn out really nicely. we shall see, we shall see. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed the little bit that I've managed to put together for these 2 days, because I think this was Tuesday I started, and then obviously Friday finishing off, because it was only like 5 minutes of waffle on Tuesday. So I hope you've enjoyed the little bits of footage that I have put together, and I will see you all tomorrow for a proper video, and then I'll see you all on Sunday for the hangout.